Hello, my name is Clara. I work as a Community Engagement and Learning Officer here at Amgueddfa Cymru, and I'm talking to you here from the depths of the art stores here in Cardiff. Now you may be wondering why I'm here. Well, it's because I'd like to introduce you to an exciting new project that I've begun working on called the Valleys Retail Project, which has been funded by the Esme Fairbairn Collection Fund. So being here amongst all this incredible artworks, this is where I hope to uncover, with the help of the various community and schools in the area, a national collection that reflects the people, the culture and the heritage of the South Wales Valleys. Never has there been a dedicated and co-created project that aims to generate new knowledge and interpretations about the lives of this unique region through art. Imagine standing in front of a Kevin Williams or a Kerry Richards painting, and you begin talking with somebody, maybe in the galleries here at Cardiff or at one of our partnership museums at Cyfarthfa Castle Museum and Gallery or at Cynon Valley Museum Gallery. And you find out that when you're talking to this person, that they actually have lived experience, maybe their occasion in the painting, or that you know that their grandparents have a connection with that particular artist that would be great to share with this collection. And it's that's what makes it so unique. This is what the Valleys Retail Project is about. So to start this unique project, I begin my research looking through the art collections here in Cardiff and working with art curators to find out which artworks can create a very big database so that I can take this to the communities and schools to share and start somewhere with selecting the correct artworks that reflect them. I've already begun working with some of the lead people at the Cyfarthfa Gallery and at Cynon Valley, and we've looked at their works and we're going to start working together as a collaboration with the National Gallery. So watch this space. I hope you can stay tuned with me over the next 3 years to see what we can really unearth from this wonderful collection that reflects the South Wales Valleys.